A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. This is Virtual Learning System of Pakistan International School, Taif, and I am Wasim Shahid. Today our lesson is 16, and in this lesson, we shall discuss the most important topic, that is multiples and common multiples. This topic is given in book page 46. In this topic, we shall learn how we can write the multiples of any given number, and secondly, we shall learn how to find common multiples of given pair of numbers. Let us start from book page 46. I am going to share your book page 46. In page 46, first of all, we shall learn about multiples. What is multiple and what is the definition of multiple? Before you know about common multiples and how to write multiples, you must know about the definition of multiple. So here, question is, what is multiple? Dear student, this is the definition of multiple. The definition is a number which can be divided by another number without leaving any remainder is called multiple of that number. For example, 6 is the multiple of 2, or you can say 6 is the multiple of 3, 4 is the multiple of 2. So if you want to verify how 6 is the multiple of 2, just divide 6 by 2. So count the table of 2. 2 3s are 6, 6 minus 6, here remainder is 0. Whenever you multiply any number by another and you get the 0 remainder, it means the given dividend is the multiple of given divisor. So I am repeating the definition of multiple again. A number which can be divided. Suppose the number is 6. This number is dividing by 2. A number which can be divided by another number without leaving any remainder. So there is no remainder. Here remainder is 0. That is why we can say that 6 is the multiple of 2. So for more detail about multiples, I'm going to share another page. Dear students, in this page, we have tables from 1 to 6. This is the table of 1, table of 2, table of 3, table of 4, table of 5, and table of 6. In this way, you can write the table of 7, 8, 9. So here, these are, in this table, these numbers are the multiples of 1. Multiples of 1 are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we can say every number is the multiple of itself. Look at table 2. In table 2, the multiples of 2 are 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 24. These are the multiple of 2. In table 3, these numbers are the multiple of 3. sorry, multiple of uh, 3 and multiple of 4, multiple of 5, multiple of 6. These numbers are multiple of 4. These numbers are multiple of 5, and these numbers are multiple of 6. In this way, you can find the multiples of 7, 8, 9, 10, and remaining ones. Now, I am going to solve your exercise. Given exercise on book page 46. There are more examples here. Multiples of 2 are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, up to so on. Means up to so on means multiple are in infinite, uncountable, like counting. Similarly, you can write multiples of 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12. Just count the table and write the multiple of any number. Multiple of 4 are 4, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fours are 20. The question 1, the statement of question 1 is, look carefully at the list of the numbers and then tick all the multiples of 4. Numbers are 6, 8, 10, 12, 17, 23, 28, 34, and 40. So first of all, we will divide one by one number by 4 because we want to find the multiples of 4. So first number is 6. If you want to check either 6 is the multiple of 4 or not, just divide 6 by 4. If you will, after division, if you will get 0 remainder, it means that number will be the multiple of 4. Otherwise, the number will not be the multiple of 4. So 4 ones are 4, 6 minus 4, remainder is 2. So it means 6 is not the multiple of 4. Similarly, we will check 8. We will divide 8 by 4. 4 twos are 8. 8 minus 8, remainder is 0. When you get 0 remainder, it means given number, a dividend, that is 8, is divisible by 4, and 8 is the factor of multiple of 4. So therefore we tick this number. In this way, we will check 10, 12, 17. In other words, you can count the table of 4 and you can also tick the multiple of 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. 8 is available here. 8 is the multiple of 4. 4 threes are 12 is the multiple of 4. 16. 16 is not divisible by 4. Therefore, it is not multiple of 4. Similarly, 23 is not divisible by 4. It is not multiple of 4. 28 is 28 is divisible by 4. 4, 7s are 24, therefore 28 is the multiple of 4, and 34 is not multiple of 4, and 40 is the multiple of 4. Means these numbers are dividing completely. Completely mean when you divide these number by 4, you get 0 remainder. Remainder will be 0. 12 is the multiple of 4, 28 is the multiple of 4, and 10 is the multiple of 4. In statement 2, take all the multiples of 9, count the table of 9, 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, and 9 nines are 21, 9 11s are 99. Now you can divide one by one all number. You can check by dividing each number. I'm going to check 126. Just divide by 9. 9 ones are 9. First we divide 12 by 9. So 12 minus 9, the remainder is 3. Shift this 6 down, we get 36. 9 fours are 36. So remainder is 0. After division, when you get 0 remainder, it means that number is the divisible by given number. It means 126 is the multiple of 9. So we will tick this number as well. 139 is also divisible by 9. Therefore, 135 is multiple of 9. Similarly, 144 is also multiple of 9. Question 3. In question 3, loop the common multiples. Here, in question 3, there are 2 parts. In both parts, multiples of numbers are given, and we will just loop, circle the common multiples. In first number, multiples of 4. Multiples of 4 are given: 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, and 32, up to so on. Similarly, multiple of 6 are also given. Some multiples are not given. So it is impossible for us to write all the multiple of any number, because multiple are uncountable and infinite. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 18, 24, 30. Some multiples are given. So now we are going to compare the multiples of both numbers. So compare the multiples. How you compare? Look at here 4. 4 is not available here. Here 8. Here 8 is not available. Here 12. Here 12 is available. It means 12 is a common multiple of 4 and 6. Similarly, 16 is not common. 20 is not common. 24 is common. Therefore, we will loop. Loop means just draw a line, make a counter line around them, and loop 24 as well, like this. Similarly, you can loop the common multiple of 3 and 5 here. Here, common multiple is 15. 15 is the first common multiple, and you can also say that it is least common multiple of 3 and 5. And but here, in given multiples, we have only one common multiple, that is 15. Question 4. In question 4, the statement is write the set of multiples, then loop the common multiples. Here, just only the statements are given. The first statement is multiple of 3 up to 30 and multiples of 4 up to 32. Means we shall write multiples of 3 up to 30. We will not exceed from 30. After that, we will write the multiples of 4 up to 34. So first of all, we will write multiples of 3 are then 2 dots. Multiple of 3 are 3, 6, 9. We count the tables. Okay, table of 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 six are 18, 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24, 3 nines are 30, 27, 3 tens are 30. In this way, we will write the multiples of 4 up to 32. We will not exceed from 32. So 4 ones are 4, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. Here 24 is written 2 times. So next is 28. Here is 28 and 32. So now we will find out the common multiple. Here, first common multiple is 12. So we will loop 12, then 24. Similarly, in part B, multiples of 2 up to 20, we shall write multiple of 5 up to 20. Multiple of 2 are 2, 4, 6 up to 20. Similarly, we will write multiple of 5, count the table of 5, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20. And we will not write 25 because the given statement, the given restriction is write multiple of 5 up to 20, not more than 20. So therefore, we will loop the common. Here the first common multiple is 10. Loop them, and then we will loop another common multiple. In page 47, the statement is study the diagram, then answer the given questions. These are given questions. A, B, C, D, up to so on. So this is Venn diagram. In this diagram, the counting numbers are given from 1 to the smallest number is 1 and the greatest number is 24. So total numbers are 24. Inside this diagram, there are 2 circles. And this is elliptical shape, not exactly circle. In this shape, multiples of 4 are given. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 sixes are 26. These are multiple of 4. Similarly, in this shape, multiples of 3 are given. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 sixes are 18, 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24. Dear students, focus on these multiples. Here we have two common multiples of 3 and 4. That are 12. You can see in this diagram, 12 and 24 are the common multiples of 3 and 4. And these are the numbers. These are not the multiples of 3 nor the multiples of 4. So in the light of this given Venn diagram, we shall write the answer of given questions or given statements. The first one is write down the multiples of 4 as shown in the diagram. So all of you know that in given diagram, these are the numbers that is given inside the first circle. That are the multiples of 4. So we will copy these from this circle: 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. These are the given multiples of 4. Part B, write down the multiples of 3 as shown in figure. Multiples of 3. So multiples of 3 are, these are the multiples of 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, and 24. These are given multiples of 3 inside the circle B. Next statement is C. What is the common multiple of 3? Sorry, what are the common multiples of 3 and what are the common multiples of 3 and 4? So these are the common multiples of 3 and 4. Therefore, we will write here 3 and 4. The next statement, which numbers are not multiple of 4 but only multiples of 3? So these are the number which are multiple of 4 but not 3. Therefore, sorry, these are the numbers. Which numbers are not multiple of 4 but only 3? These are the numbers which are not multiple of 4 but only of 3. Therefore, we copy these numbers here: 3, 6, 9, 15, 18, 20. Similarly, the statement E, a question is, which numbers are multiple of neither 3 nor 4? So these numbers 1, 2, 5, 7, 10, 11, 13, 14, 17, 19, 22, 23. These numbers are neither multiple of 3 nor multiple of 4. In this way, dear students, you can write the answer of question 2. Here in question 2, the statement is, this is second question. The statement is, make a Venn diagram to show the common multiple of 4 and 6. In your diagram, include all whole numbers up to 30. So first of all, we will draw this diagram by ourselves. First, we write the multiples of 4 here, then multiples of 6 here. Common multiples definitely will come here, and the remaining numbers up to 30 we will write in the below of these circles. And after that, we will write the answer of given statements or given questions. The first one is write all multiples of 4. These are the all possible multiples of 4 less than 30. So we will copy these multiples here. Similarly, next question is write all multiples of 6 as shown in figure. Write all multiples of 6. So these are the multiples of 6. So we will write here all possible multiples of 6 here. And part C, write all the numbers which are not multiples of 4 but only of 6. So these are the numbers which are only multiple of 6, not 4. So we will copy them here. And the part D is write all numbers which are multiples of neither 6 nor 4. So these are the numbers less than 30 which are not multiples of 4 and 6. Therefore, we will copy, write all these numbers here. And the last statement is write the common multiple of 6 and 4 here in this Venn diagram. So common multiples of 6 and 4 are 12 and 24. Inshallah, in next video, we will learn about LCM, means lowest or least common multiple. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.